The Embassy of Japan is organizing the Northeast Japan Caravan 2023 Shillong in collaboration with the Japan Foundation New Delhi and Indian Council for Cultural Relations Northeast. A series of events are being organized in the city as part of the program. The first day saw judo and karate workshop. Japanese Ambassador to India Hiroshi Suzuki also spoke on the occasion and called both India and Japan to work together in different fields. The three-day festival will also have cosplay, anime screenings, calligraphy and origami workshops.
The first time, please think that this is only the beginning. For some of you who already know Japanese culture, please think that this will be a great occasion to enhance your understanding of Japanese culture more deeply.